Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox Music ID. We'll start by understanding what these unique identifiers are and why they are essential for game creators. Then, I'll guide you through the straightforward process of locating and utilizing them within your own Roblox experiences. This will empower you to enhance your games with custom soundscapes, making them more engaging for players. Let's dive right in and discover how to find those perfect tunes. To begin your search for the perfect track, navigate to the Roblox Creator Marketplace. Once there, you'll find various categories. Select audio to focus on music and sound effects. The Marketplace offers a vast library, so use the search bar and filters effectively. You can narrow down your options by genre, creator, or even specific keywords like upbeat or ambient. This helps you quickly find exactly what you're looking for among thousands of available assets. Once you've found an audio track you like, click on it to open its dedicated asset page. Look closely at the URL in your browser's address bar. You'll notice a series of numbers within that web address. This specific numerical sequence is the unique Roblox Music ID you need. Simply highlight and copy these digits. This ID is crucial for integrating the audio into your game, so ensure you copy it accurately for the next step. With your Roblox Music ID copied, open Roblox Studio and navigate to your game. You'll typically insert this ID into a sound object within your game's workspace or a specific part. Paste the numerical ID into the sound ID property of that object. Remember to adjust other properties like volume, pitch, and whether the sound should loop. Finally, playtest your game to confirm the audio is working perfectly and enhancing your player's experience as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.